Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Rafi West. In today's video, I want to talk about a question. Do you have to make decisions fast? Every now and then I run into other information, other videos, and this question has been on my mind. Is it good to make decisions fast? Now, decision making is something we all have trouble with, right? It's really hard to make decisions, especially the tough ones that come around. So, my answer is it depends. If you're a practical person like myself, you take a long time making decisions. That's because you have to have a step by step way or everything planned. That's if you're a practical person. Okay, so you take your time, you sort it out and stuff. Now, if you're an action person who just wants to get it done, you don't need a plan, you just want to throw yourself into it in a rapid way, then you make decisions quickly. But, so the answer is it depends what kind of decisions we're talking about here. So let me give you a couple of examples. Affairs of the heart. If you're dating someone or trying to figure out if you're going to marry someone or be with someone in a relationship, you know, um, you should probably not jump the gun in about a week. You should probably take your time to get to know the person, anywhere from 12 to 18 months before you make any significant advancements with that person. And that would be residing with them, having a child, getting married. Okay, because the topic was someone was talking about moving somewhere, relocating, and then they didn't like it after a week, so they came scrambling back. So even with that, you have to give that time, whether you're practical or an action person. Another example is like moving and giving a location a chance. Once again, 12 to 18 months, not scramble back in a week. Not to mention, it's not cost efficient to come scrambling back in a week in most cases, depending on your situation. So you want to give that time also, to see if you like it. You have to force yourself to give it time. A lot of people make this mistake. They'll move somewhere, and after a week or so, a few weeks, they'll say, "Oh, I don't like it here. I want to go scrambling back," and a lot of times those people do that with everything in their lives, and they wonder why everything is so chaotic or doesn't work out a lot of times. Okay? So those are a couple of examples. If you're trying a new career, a job, not even a career, a job, you also have to give that time. Unless it's really horrible and detrimental to your health or something, you also have to give that time. A week is not enough to find out if you like it or not, so give that time as well. Okay? You also have to give that time. So it depends. Some people also run on emotions, and there you got to be careful, because there, when you're an emotional person, you care about what others think. You care about what people are going to think about what you say or do or any moves you make. So you have to be careful with that. Okay? You know, so know who you are, but especially in those two major situations, you want to give it time. I would say affairs of the heart, dating, relationships, marriage, and also moving to a new location. You have to give it time as well. You're never going to like it the first, year you're somewhere. You're not going to like it. It's not that you're not going to like it. You're going to go back and visit your old place a lot. It's just natural. You might have some fears and insecurities about, like, oh my God, what have I done? But you got to hang in there, and you have to give it time. Okay. Um, the third one is, with an investment, same thing. With your money, you park your money somewhere. After a week, you're not going to know if the thing pans out or not. You want to, in a lot of times, remember the market is us. You want to take advantage, you want to exploit, you want to take advantage of fear and greed, the two emotions, since humans are the ones that participate in any market. You want to give it time to exploit fear and greed, because when there's fear and greed, that's when money is made. All right? So you don't have to make decisions fast. Know who you are. And in those three examples that I gave, those three areas, you definitely have to be a little more practical. We all have those traits within us, practical and action and emotional, but you have to know when to bring what to the forefront. So in those three especially, be more practical and give it time. You will be better off. If other people can't wait for you to make those decisions, if they're involved, then maybe you don't need those people around you. Everybody wants this. We live in this microwave society, instant gratification society. The hell with the microwave society and stuff, okay? The hell with all that. You can't mess with all that, okay? So be cognizant of which decisions you have to make haste with and which ones you have to be practical and take your time with. You will be better off. You'll have less stress. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Any comments, leave them down in the description. Please give me a thumbs up, a like here, subscribe, giving you a piece of mental floss, so to speak, for the day. All right, guys. And I hope everything's well with all you guys. I hope this is of some value and make you think. With the new year approaching, you're probably going to start thinking about goals, maybe making some changes. Not that you can't make changes anytime, but around this time of year or approaching it, not quite yet, is when people start to have to make decisions and changes. Okay, and think about what I tell you, giving things time, especially big things, important things. And then the other ones you can go quicker on. You could bring out your action part when you're at a restaurant and you have to order a meal. You're not going to take 12 to 18 months there. You're going to just order something. Okay, so there you should bring out your action side and make a decision by the time the waiter comes. All right? So not always do you have to go and make decisions fast. Not always. Okay? Sometimes it's not being indecisive, it's giving things time so you can analyze it and come up to a solid decision that can serve you better in the future. All right? So I hope that helped you guys. Think about it. I hope it makes sense for you guys. All right? Does that make sense for you guys? All right, good. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe. And until next time, everyone take care, all right? Peace.